when you get your sandals in the mail, slip your feet in, see how it feels. And if you want to make any adjustments to the thong, I'm going to show you how I would go about doing that. Take the sandal off, undo the ankle, and then I'm going to basically loosen up all the joints, pull a bunch of ankle slack through, pull the heel slack through, keep a loop. Now I'm going to take the buckle, I'm going to slide that back towards the heel, and then I'm going to pull slack through that outer junction. So everything's loose now, and I'm going to stick my foot into the sandal and kind of individually tighten each lace. So I pull the slack through on the thong while my foot's in the sandal, and then I pull the slack through to tighten up that crisscross junction on the outside. And now I'm going to take the buckle, I'm going to slide that down as close to that junction as possible, just by wiggling it back and forth. And now moving on to the inside, I pull the heel tension until I get the desired amount of tension on that heel strap, and then I pull the slack through. So now we got the thong and the heel strap with our preferred tension, and then we take the ankle strap and we slide it under the thong, and then before it passes into the buckle, it kind of turns the corner and switches to the top side facing down. And now we just pull the tension through and lock the buckle into place, and that adjustment is what's going to allow us to kind of tweak all the different lace tensions at once for a more casual or high performance fit. That's pretty much everything you need to kind of dial in your thong, heel, and ankle strap tension for the perfect fit. The thong is not under much tension. It's like a little on the looser side. And then the heel's holding me on the sandal. And then if I want to wear it in chill mode, I just put enough tension to hold the ankle strap tight on the ankle. But if I want to wear it more in sport mode, I can cinch this all quite a bit tighter.